Oh yeah, look at what finally arrived. Ow, my fucking toe! Oops.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Autogera. Hope you're having a great day, because I sure am. We finally got the first mod for the Camry in, and let's go check it out.
Oh yeah.
All right, so what we got in today was Weapon R's secret cold air intake. And it just recently came out. It's one of the very few intakes out there for the 2019 Toyota Camry. And that's both the 4-cylinder and the V6.
We got a bit of tubing. This is our filter. This thing is pretty huge. I assume these are some more parts. Probably mounting parts for all the things. Okay, so I was kind of looking through all the stuff that I got, and I took a close look at the instructions. It says it's for a V6. Yeah. I got the 4-cylinder.
All right, guys, so we're all good. I hit up Danny. He did a little bit of investigating for me, and he says that the instructions for this should be very similar to the one for the 4-cylinder. It just seems like there's like one huge pipe for the V6 and like 3 different pipes for the 4-cylinder. But it's all good. Just gotta wait a couple days, and then we'll be able to go ahead and install the intake on the Camry. So I gotta wait, but you guys don't. Here's a SpongeBob time card.
2 weeks later. What am I looking at starting?
Oh my god.
What? Grab the what?
Grab the intake, the other one out of the car.
Okay, so before Data just happened to find me, we're finally at his shop, getting ready to install the intake. I do want to give a shout out to Dan from Medline. He was actually cool enough to be able to get the instructions for me from Weapon R. So shout out to you, Dan. You're awesome. Keep that customer service great. Also, guys, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe, because we are currently at 98. I don't know if you can see that, but you know, we're currently at 98 subscribers and we're almost at 100. So hit that subscribe button and like this video as well. You just remove that clamp. You just remove that clamp.
Yeah. That match sensor gonna come off though, but there's the air box out.
All right.
Find out where you gotta take out to get.
Yeah, so basically what he just did was he removed the clamp off of this, unplugged that, and then what, you took the sensor, the
harness.
Yeah, you took the harness off of that. Okay. I think this does have to come out though. You don't read, but you want to read now? This is for the V6, so.
No.
No?
Still right there.
Oh, okay. Cool. One thing I forgot to mention about this cold air intake setup, you can switch between short ram and cold air, so which is pretty cool. Okay, so unfortunately we're running out of time here at the shop. So what we basically did was we just went ahead and got the setup for a short ram. The reason we're not going to go with the cold air intake is because they have to go all the way down here, and there's no way we're going to do that without having to remove something. Yeah, we're going to do the short ram intake, and that'll be pretty much it. We're going to try that one out. So this filter is really satisfying to look at. I don't know what it is. It just reminds me of, like, I don't know. Doesn't this remind you of Spider-Man 3?
Yeah. The
black suit? Okay, so unfortunately, due to time constraints, we had to go ahead and install the short ram version of the intake, not the cold air version, which kind of sucks, but this gives me a chance to actually try out the short ram before the cold air intake. And we can't get the car in the shop to lift it up and see if we can see if we have to either remove the bumper or get under the car somehow to install the rest of the piping. So it ain't too bad.
This has internet capability.
What?
Yeah, they tell you don't watch porn on it though. Because it will get a virus. Call it along, check it like flashing.
Don't fucking say that.
Okay. I'll say this much right now. Definitely getting a lot more noise from the car now with the short ram intake. All right, guys, that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, go ahead, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and if you want to purchase the same intake I got, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description down below. Peace out, guys.